is it with these flies? Holy moly, every time I'm recording. Where was I?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace. As you may have noticed, my channel has changed a little bit lately because I've been doing a lot of DIYs. The reason for that is that I am doing a little bit of sort of redecorating in my house, a little bit of renovations, and a lot of the pieces I want to make myself. So I'm using that material to make videos so that I can show you how I did it in case you're interested. I've had a lot of questions on what items are best to buy on Marketplace. Honestly, it's whatever it is that you need. I've been having a lot of luck with the tables lately, council tables or hallway tables and hutches, because that's what I was looking for. Maybe that's why I've found those. The thing is with Marketplace is that you will see a lot of beautiful things, and sometimes I look at it and I'm going, oh my gosh, that is so nice, but I can't DIY that. It's the wood is so beautiful. It is, not gonna lie, but you have to remember that it's beautiful for the person that bought it brand new. They were willing to pay that money. I wasn't willing to pay the money they paid for it when they bought it new. But because they're selling it at an affordable cost for me, I am able to DIY it in any way I want, because you know, I didn't pay the full price for it. If I pay 20 bucks or 30 bucks for it, I'm okay with that. I don't care what I do with it. I don't feel guilty. You know, the thing is, guys, people are selling this stuff, and it's actually sad because when I see all this stuff on Marketplace, the quality of this furniture, it reminds me of my parents' era when they were spending thousands and thousands of dollars on these items. At the time, it was a lot of money, but they were spending it because it was such quality pieces. But now nobody wants it. Parents are kind of gaining their wings, and I mean, it's sad. I seen a dining room set. Listen, it had to be, back at that time, it had to be no less than $5,000. It was gorgeous. And you know what? They were selling it for 315 bucks. Hello. You look at the style and it may not fit what you're looking for now. DIY it. Make it yours. That's the whole idea of Marketplace, because the things are so affordable on there that you can turn it into something you need. But don't look at the item as is. You really have to think of the item in a way that, what can I do with that? And that's what I want you to take away from this video. I generally set a budget of $50. I'm telling you, there is no end. I will post some pictures at the end of this video of some of the items that I found. I have another upcoming video. I don't know when this is going to be posted, so you might have seen it already, but it's a little table. I will insert a picture of it. They were asking $30 or $40. I can't remember. And, you know, I paid 20 bucks and I did it myself. I turned it into something I wanted. There would be a lot less furniture down at the dump if we just all stick together. This chair itself, I loved it because of the beautiful purples, pinkies, grays, and the white tones on it. I would paint all the wood in white. It would just melt into a neutral decor. These three pieces are very pretty. I know you're looking at it thinking, what the heck is she talking about? I would paint all the wood in white, get it reupholstered in a striped white and blue fabric. It would look stunning, and it would elevate it from 80s right to 2021. Well, just imagine this painted all in white in your hallway. It would brighten up your space. It has beautiful detail. And guess what, guys? It's $15. This piece caught my eye. It has so much detail, painted in white for a neutral decor. If you want it to be adventurous, you can even outline that detail with a gold or a silver or a light gray. And guess what, guys? $45. You can't beat that. I would wait to see if they would lower the price. When things are on the market for a certain period of time, they knock it down a couple of bucks. Don't go in with your final offer. It's a negotiation. It's good for the vendor and it's good for the buyer. It's something that you both walk away happy with.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now I
that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button below and hit the bell to be notified when I upload. And always remember that luxury items are to be used, people are to be loved, and life is to be lived. You want to reach a point that says, remember when, and not, I wish I did. Bye-bye.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets.